In the 3D model, you can check the modeling and eliminate errors using the commands in the collision section. With the Isolate Collisions command, you can select part of the model and identify whether there are overlapping pieces. The program isolates objects that share common volumes. To visualize the intersecting area between solids, use the View Collisions command. The red solid indicates the overlapping volume. With the View All command, you can restore the full view of the model. To visualize overlaps, use the View Collision command. This function identifies profiles and plates that are perfectly overlapping. At the end of the process, the system displays the number of elements found and deleted. Out of 2 overlapping elements, only 1 remains. The Collision Bolt command allows you to check whether bolts have sufficient space for proper fitting. If there is insufficient space, the procedure highlights the bolts with a red cylinder. At this point, you can evaluate whether the bolts need to be modified, displaced, or even reversed. The parameter used to determine the required mounting space is the C value, entered in the table for drilling tolerances in Configuration Options. The last command, Bolts Overlap, verifies whether multiple bolts have been inserted in the same overlapping location. At the end of the process, any identified overlapping bolts are deleted. At this point, the model is ready for marking and the subsequent marking checks.